Chris O. I'm doing the second coat now. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. I like it a lot. Don't try and go the same way as you were going before, people. Try and just change things around a bit, you know? But it's not hard to do. Waterproofing's not hard to do. It's just try and keep an eye on what you're doing all the time, so you don't miss patches. That's the biggie. Just don't miss patches. And with the brush, making sure you don't miss anything. You'll find the odd pinhole. See, there's one there. With your second coat, you get it every time. All right, we'll see you soon. This is Chris O. Stay tuned. If you don't learn anything, well, I'll be very surprised. Keep watching Chris O on YouTube. You will learn something. Or you might learn what not to do. See ya. Fantastic. That's the second coat, people. I put a water stop across the front there in the morning, and where my shower, where are we? There. Where my shower is going, I'll be coming out from there, from the edge of the white, coming out about probably, well, 1200 out from the waste, the shower waste, 2 tiles out. My water stop will be there, going across to about 1100. Nice big shower, nice big slope. They're having one screen, one sheet of glass, nice shelf there to put everything on. That's going to be a VJ wall, but I've still waterproofed it up to 1200. I didn't have to, but it's easy to do it. We'll see you soon. Ooh, this is Chris O. Stay tuned, learn heaps. See you soon. Bye.